I am so unbelievably excited right now. Oh my gosh. Thank you for the inspiration you gave me to do this beauty. Oh my gosh, Martha, I am honored right now. Hi friends, thank you so much for joining me for this super special project share. I cannot believe I'm seeing one of my student friends' piece of artwork in person for the first time ever. This is using my mini album house tutorial, and she decided to create a gingerbread house. Absolutely genius. I'm so honored. Martha, thank you so much for letting me share this on my channel today. And look at all these beautiful little characters she put on the front. They're popped up with dimensional foam tape, and she actually has some what seems to be real candy right here. And look at these fine edgings she did for the snow on the top of this amazing roof. Oh my gosh, I would have never thought of anything like this before, ever. And that's why I'm just so pleased to be sharing this with you today, because this is something you can do. And I'm sure that everyone has created different things, and I will definitely leave the tutorial down in the description. Now look how she put this adorable ribbon on the side to keep it closed. Are you ready to get inside? Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Martha. I absolutely am so happy. She got some metallic paper right here and a couple gingerbread friends. You could put some 4x6 pictures right in there. The edging just has my heart. Oh my goodness, Martha, this is just so amazing in person. I cannot believe it. Let's look. Oh, this is beautiful. She added bells. Oh my goodness, she added bells. Okay, here's our first panel right here. Oh my goodness, I have not seen this yet. Do you hear that? What a beautiful addition for a Christmas themed little house. These little doors open up right here, and you have a beautiful spot for pictures. And you could admire these brilliantly potted, fabulous die cuts of these little Christmas trees. A couple cards in there for whatever type of memorabilia or notes that you want to put on there. And this closes back up, and then this actually goes down. I just can't get over the sound of these bells. Some more metallic paper. Oh my goodness, strips of the design paper. She even did a solid right here too. You can come back easy right there with a chalk marker. Oh my goodness. And does this open again? It does. Look how precious this is. Some more space. It seems as though I stuffed that out of the other one. Look at me. Oh my goodness, I haven't had a chance to make this book again, and it's just wonderful to see this. Look at that beautiful matting. She cut that angle beautifully. And this just ties up to keep it closed. What a brilliant idea with the bells. I would have just never thought of that in my whole entire life. Look at this panel right here. It goes up and down, left and right. And we even have a wonderful little waterfall on the inside. It seems as though she mixed some paper pads together, and they just go beautifully. I just love it. Very sturdy cardstock as well. I think you can fit about 30 pictures in this book. Look at this. I've never done a closure like that before. That is gorgeous. Just a couple pieces of whatever you have at home, and you just use it. Just use it. Make it your own. Look at this. See the metallic paper? Oh my goodness. And we got a beautiful magnetic closure right there, and this opens up again. And this, again, is a pocket on the back. Beautiful spot for pictures. And this panel right here does some fun stuff too. We got a pull down, and we have another sideways portrait style waterfall. I see that we have some Hobby Lobby paper in there as well. And this goes up, and there's a beautiful tuck spot. Look at this wonderful card she matted. And the Christmas presents wrapped up. Oh my goodness, Martha. I'm at a loss of words of what to say of how beautiful your project is and how honored I am to have seen it in person. Absolutely beautiful. Look how she put these little stickers. Oh my goodness, I can't. I don't even know what to say. Besides that, I love this door. I feel like I'm gonna go inside of a gingerbread house, and it just gives me this cozy feeling of just the holiday season, and it is absolutely phenomenal. Thank you again, everyone, so much for joining me for this super special project share. I'll leave the class link down in the description, and Martha, most of all, hugs to you. Thank you again. Bye.